What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Novichenko Whips YouTube channel. Today I wanted to share a really cool phone holder that I've found to work extremely well in the car. Performance cars, you're driving, stopping, accelerating, turning, and sometimes regular cheaper phone holders or generic phone holders like the ones that attach to either an air vent or a suction cup with a weaker magnet. This here is an example of one of the ProClip phone holders and then recharge bases that you can install in your car. I drive a F10 M5 and that's what this is going in. The kit looked like it was of high quality. ProClip USA didn't have the set that I needed, and I think mine was shipped from somewhere in Europe, so it was a little bit more expensive than your generic Amazon buy. But I think, as you'll see, the install is very sleek, it's very sturdy and strong, holds the phone in place, and the charging is great. You'll notice here that the kit comes with an attachable metal piece that I'm sure some people are able to attach to their phone case with some results of wireless charging. My phone case here, as you see, would not work because it's ribbed. I went ahead and attached this metal piece to my phone under the case. The magnet is strong, but not strong enough to hold the phone through this case. So one thing to consider is you might have to pop off your phone case to place your phone onto this charging port or charging base. Let's see the install in the car. Under the ProClip holder, there is a 3M double-sided tape piece that you can peel off and then stick to this portion of the console. So you'll see me cleaning it off here and preparing it for that. Tip is definitely to make sure after cleaning off that area with rubbing alcohol to make sure it's dry so that your 3M tape will adhere to it nicely. Make sure to have as long of a screwdriver as you can find. That's a joke. The power cord can be neatly hidden away between the panels here, as you can see. I used a nice flatter screwdriver to push it up behind the plastic. Thanks for watching.